I want to talk about something you have been talking a lot about, what you call the third industrial revolution, or the rise of the machines. You write, the microchip may well replace the human race. Are we talking about the Terminator here? Are robots going to be taking over, Nouriel? I hope not.
I hope not either, but let's put it this way. In the long run, many things might change. In the short run, what's happening is that technological innovation is increasingly capital-intensive, skill bias, and labor saving. So take the factory of the future, and many of them are today. You might have 1,000 machines or 1,000 robots, one or two workers manning those machines, and a third guy sweeping the floor, and even the guy sweeping the floor right now can be replaced by a Roomba robot who can do it faster and cheaper. So this technological revolution was occurring in manufacturing. I think that the change is that the same technological innovation is occurring now in a wide range of services where they were labor-intensive, whether it's education or healthcare or government or finance or real estate or transportation or retail. And the same kind of process is going to occur. Slowly, slowly, there'll be machines and software that are going to replace human beings.
But, Nouriel, haven't we been saying this for decades? I feel like you could look at a movie from 40 years ago saying robots will take over the future, and they haven't.
I think that most people who are in that field would say right now the kind of innovation that have occurred in the last decades are radically changing both manufacturing and services. For example, we're reaching the point in which artificial intelligence can become really thinking machines, something that hadn't happened for decades. So I think that the speed of that innovation in the last decade, in the next decade, is going to be much faster than in previous ones.
So from an economist's perspective, how is this affecting the way you're looking at the world?
Well, it has many effects. First of all, there'll be an issue with jobs. We already have seen this recovery in advanced economies being anemic, subpar, below trend with high unemployment rate, still high in Europe. But think about, for example, China. Foxconn is producing the iPhones in China, is planning for the next decade to replace millions of workers with automation and machine. So we're at the high level of per capita income, we will have a problem with jobs, but countries that are emerging markets where the same kind of innovation is going to occur will have even bigger problem. The other implication, of course, of technological innovation, this capital-intensive labor saving, is that increases income and wealth inequality. It becomes a social and economic problem.